ago if you would ask me what I watch in my spare time. No, I probably wouldn't tell you what was really on my mind. But lately I've been thinking of a reason I should hide. If I am to mention it were painful when it feels so good inside. What can I mention? Fluttershy and a timid love named mine. How she can be herself near animals, so shies away from her own kind. What can I mention? Picky pie and the way she kind of acts a bit like me sometimes. You see, I used to hate that I liked My Little Pony. Not anymore. And I'm proud to be a pony.
Can't hear you. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is why. You rock. Your faithful student, Twilight is back. Can you explode twice? It needs to be about 20% cooler. Are you?
I don't want to talk about it.
And they try to make me feel embarrassed. Their attempts have been in vain. Though they tell me I'm the one with problems, they're the ones who are insane. So for those who watch but won't admit it, well, you shouldn't be like that, 'cause you could be 20% cooler. 10 seconds fly. Why don't you mention Rainbow Dash and her acrobatic skill? How she will try off in anything just to get a little thrill. Why don't you mention Applejack with the powder on a southern style power of will? See, you don't have to fake that you hate My Little Pony. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shout it out. I'm proud to be a pony, yeah. I'm proud to be My Little Pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My Little Pony, do you all share its magic with me? Winter apple, winter apple, let's finish our holidays. Winter apple, winter apple, the patterns on my skin is key. The fabric of the winter apple, the colors that are golden and speak up to life. Let's change my kids, let's go get those freezing skis. Well, I'm gonna mention Rarity, she's also ladylike. But even though she's prim and proper, she couldn't make it in a fight. And I'm gonna mention Twilight, she's kind of dirty, puts her power tucked away, but taking Ursa any day. How about you? Would you do what I do or be phony? I'm asking you now. You proud to be a brony? You proud to be a brony?